Collaborative divorce, even though it's been around since the early 90s, is really relatively new to the divorce scene. And the best way to think about it is that the parties and their lawyers build a container around the divorce process so that everything that happens outside of court, and it happens according to the wishes and according to the timetable of the parties involved.
Collaborative divorces are great for people that are going to have ongoing relationships. So people that have kids, people that have family connections in communities where they're going to continue to see each other. They want to do things civilly, respectfully. Collaborative clients also choose collaborative divorce for the privacy. Because we're not in court, we're doing everything privately.
So there are various incentives to finish the collaborative process. Once you start the collaborative process, if for any reason you have to go to court for relief, you actually have to terminate the lawyers that are in the case and start with a completely new set of lawyers if you want to go to court. So the parties have a lot of incentive to cooperate and finish the case. The attorneys certainly have incentive to finish it, and that's really what can make collaborative divorce such a powerful process.
Some of the advantages of a collaborative divorce are that we can consider some things that a court would not. The court process is really our ground, but we can do so much better. We can consider tax consequences. We can deal with children and have a child specialist and have the two parents really educated as to what would be best for their children. We can educate a spouse that doesn't know as much about the finances or the assets of the parties. They never get that in a mediation. They never get that in a litigated divorce. They can get all of those things in a collaborative divorce. I have a lot of experience handling collaborative cases. I've handled many cases since the year 2000. We are required to attend training almost annually, and I've done that. I am a founding member of the Albuquerque Collaborative Practice Group as well as the Southwest Collaborative Group, and I really enjoy handling collaborative cases.
If a person is interested in collaborative divorce, the first thing they should do is contact our office and do a consultation with one of our lawyers who is collaboratively trained. From there, if it still seems like a good solution, then we're going to provide information to their spouse, and hopefully their spouse will agree to the collaborative process and hire another lawyer who is also trained in that area. Once that happens, an agreement is signed between the parties, we'll have our first meeting, and then from there we'll just follow the collaborative process.